Typhoon lashes Japan, 2 dead. A typhoon has lashed central Japan with torrential rain and fierce winds, killing 2 since the rain started on Thursday. Winds at the center of the typhoon Talas were blowing at about 65 km per hour with peak gusts of about 90 km per hour, it said. A man in his 40s was killed in a landslide and a 29-year-old man was found dead after his car plunged into a reservoir after being suspended from Friday evening because of the rain. The meteorological agency forecast further heavy rains in Shizuoka and urged caution for landslides and flooding. Typhoon Talas approached eastern Japan on Saturday, bringing heavy rains and killing 1 person a week after another major storm battered the country.